Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update drivers on your Lenovo Chromebook IdeaPad Slim 3. So since there are no separate driver files for this device, in order to update drivers you simply have to update the system itself. So go to the control center in the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you have to click the gear icon to open settings. Also make sure that you have internet connection. Make sure that it's a stable network. Go to About Chrome OS and click Check for updates. Okay, and once you know that your Chromebook is up to date, also check firmware updates. And make sure that all firmware here is also up to date. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.